I thought I would just do it later. It's like, they don't. But you guys do. You do. Even though you're not watching, you do. I just filmed another video and this video. 2 videos in one day. Yeah, it's actually 8:44. So it's maybe getting videos all day. Now I'll show you something. Reviewing something I want to show you. I can actually improve my video. There's a lot of stuff in here actually. It's a pain of the flipping neck. GoPro. So, what comes with it is a GoPro. A GoPro screen, so you can see it when you're like filming videos. Oh, turn it on. Wait, I don't think so. I think it's running out of battery, but first the GoPro. Second is the glass thing. I don't know what's called by the cable that comes with your GoPro that you charge it with. You can connect it to the computer, connect it to a Apple box thing, a charger, whatever. So third thing. Let's go through here. A second glass thing itself's broken. This one doesn't go through, but this one does. Look. Can't go through this one. Definitely broken, not broken. If you could see here, yeah. So all this stuff, the GoPro case. Okay, so this is what you do. You have your shell. Put your GoPro in there. Simple. Oh. Wait, I think I turned it on. I turned it on accidentally, look. I'm gonna turn it off. Simple as that. And you go with this. And then you just put it on here. Put it on. And then you block this so it will be locked in. You just do it. And then well, that didn't supposed to happen. This flipped off. Yeah, click. The GoPro. Go to a different section like a camera thing. So this is what you do. You put the camera thing on top of this. See this thing right here? You put it into here. And then you just shove it in there. And then you get something like, oh yeah. It's like a screwdriver thing. What? Whatever. Where's that thing anyways? Don't lose it. Really? Oh, here it is. You take this screw right here. It comes with the GoPro, if you were wondering. You see this hole? I don't know if you see it because my lighting's bad. Well, there's a hole right here. Like somewhere there. Okay, so you just shove in there. Screw it. Okay, good. You screw, or if it doesn't work, it's probably how you're like doing it, like how, like it has to be like this. If you want to screw in this, you have the full experience of the GoPro. Anyways, this is where you charge the batteries. Yeah, okay, let me get the batteries anyways. So, get this, get that, you put it in there. Easy. So you just shove it in there, and you can pull it out. And, oh god, I messed it up. Okay, I'm gonna fix that later, but another screen thing. This thing. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Wait. Let me get my GoPro. I think I'm supposed to slide it. You know, it can always stand. Wait. If you can see, this is all my stuff. This is a better angle without you just seeing. This is for another view later. Put it to the side. Okay, pick this up. Oh god. This is a pain off my neck. You know what? Oh god, jammed it in there. Oh. No. Well, this is the review. It's pretty good. Another stuff. I don't know what that really is, so. There's actually broken pieces. Then, I got the code. This is as I can do that out. Okay, well, if you didn't see it, you barely can see that. And then this is how you put it apart. Simple as that. Put that in there. Put that in there. Unscrew the screw when you're finished, or when you want to. Well, you just put the pieces back where it belongs. Now, for the face review, I want Q&A. I will answer every single question because I don't have that much viewers. Anyways, if I have somehow a lot, I will do a Q&A video. Ooh. I will give you an extra reminder every video or the next one I'm gonna make. Thank you You guys have another look of my face. My face, a face. See you guys later. Bye!